How do you keep your things safe when you go to the gym, to school, or board that next plane for your trip? Well, you lock it up with a padlock. Sounds simple, right? Except when you forget your combo the following week or lose that flimsy key. But there's one thing you'll never lose: your fingerprint. Introducing the new clever fingerprint lock. It's a smart, keyless padlock that opens and closes with your fingerprint. Just touch the sensor on its face to lock and unlock. It's that simple. Equipped with an advanced biometric sensor, it takes less than a second to verify your fingerprint. Plus, since it can store and manage multiple fingerprints, you can easily share access with friends. Forged out of stainless steel and gorgeous anodized aluminum, flaunts an elegant all-metal unibody design. It's not only strong, it's beautiful. When you get yours, getting set up and configured is easy. No more keys or combinations, just your fingerprint.